Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build a report in Lightning Experience Salesforce. This is an essential skill for anyone who needs to analyze their data, track performance metrics, or create custom views of their Salesforce information. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Reports tab in the top navigation bar. This is your starting point for all report creation and management in Salesforce. Once you're there, look for the New Report button in the upper right corner and click it. This action launches the report creation process and opens up a world of possibilities for organizing your data. You'll now see a list of available report types. Select the report type that matches the data you want to analyze. For example, if you're tracking sales opportunities, you'd choose opportunities from the list. You can also use the search function to quickly find a specific report type by name. Once you've made your selection, click Start Report to open the Lightning Report Builder. This is where the real magic happens. Now it's time to customize your report by adding the specific data points you need. Click the Add Column dropdown and select the fields you want to include in your report. These columns will display the actual data you're interested in viewing. Think of this step as choosing which pieces of information you want to see at a glance. To organize your data more effectively, click Add Group and select a field to group your rows or columns by. This feature helps you categorize information in meaningful ways, making patterns and trends much easier to spot. For instance, you might group opportunities by stage or by owner. Next, refine your results by clicking Add Filter. Here you can choose specific fields and criteria to narrow down exactly what data gets displayed. Filters are crucial for eliminating noise and focusing on the information that matters most to your analysis. If you want to visualize your data, click the chart icon to add a chart to your report. Then click the Chart Properties icon to customize the chart type and adjust colors to match your preferences. Visual representations can make complex data much easier to understand at a glance. When you're satisfied with your report configuration, click Save. You'll be prompted to name your report, add an optional description, and select a folder where it will be stored. Finally, click Run to view the full report results with all your applied filters and groupings in action. And there you have it. You've successfully built a custom report in Salesforce Lightning Experience that can help you make better data-driven decisions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.